Welcome to Excellopedia. In today's tutorial, we'll explore a quick and easy method to convert numbers to words in Microsoft Word using a simple keyboard shortcut. Let's dive in. Have you ever needed to transform numbers into words for better document clarity? Whether it's invoices, reports, or any document, especially when dealing with complex numerical data, this handy trick can make your content more reader friendly. Let's see how it's done. First, position your cursor where you want the conversion to happen. Now press Ctrl plus F9 to add curly brackets. Inside the brackets, type equals and your number followed by backslash star card text. Press F9 to instantly convert the number into words. It's that simple. Now let's talk about how easy it is to modify the converted words whenever you need to. Easily edit the converted words by right-clicking on the words and select toggle field quotes from the menu. This allows you to update the field with a new number or modify the existing text effortlessly. Now edit the value and press F9 to update the field. Wait, there is more. You can customize the appearance of the converted words to suit your document style. Want to capitalize the first letter of each word? Just add backslash star caps to the end of the code. First cap. This option capitalizes the first letter of the converted text. Upper. If you want everything in all caps, use this option. Lower. Prefer everything in small letters? This option has got you covered. As with any method, there are a few limitations to be aware of when converting numbers to words using this technique. First up, there is a numeric limitation. This method operates seamlessly for numbers up to 9,99,999. However, if you try to go beyond that, Word might throw an error your way. Also, keep in mind that it doesn't automatically display in a simpler format, such as in lakhs. For instance, it shows as 999,999. Another thing to note is decimals. If your document has numbers with decimals, this trick might not handle them perfectly. You might need to make a few extra changes to make sure they show up just right. So, while it's a handy trick, keep these things in mind to make sure it works smoothly for what you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.